Hello guys, a customer gave me this phone to fix its charging port. This phone over here is Honor. Maybe the English meaning for Huawei, I don't know. Is it possible to use a different charging port to fix this phone? I think it depends on the charging port and how you manipulate it. In this video, I'll be sharing how I use the different charging ports to fix this phone. I'll be using this charging port to replace the one from this phone. Their polarities are not the same, but I have to turn the charging port upside down. I have to manipulate it for it to work with it. So I'll open the charging port and press it to the ground. Then I'll use my soldering iron on it to remove the charging port. So this is what I could get. This is the bad charging port. I'm fixing this one upside down. I'll have to straighten the charging port's leg because it cannot fit into the board, and then I'll slide it that way. I haven't soldered the charging port's terminals, but I've soldered the charging port's body to the PCB. The charging port's terminals are aligned in the right position, plus to plus and minus to minus. Now I'm about to check if the charging port fits into the body of the phone. Okay, so now I've soldered the charging port terminals to the PCB. It's supposed to work this way because no legs are shorting. It's time for backup. So now, is it possible to use a different charging port to fix the phone? Yes, it is possible.